Yeah, pump, master goes on. Pump goes on. Yep. Fuel flow. Watch for 2 or 3 seconds. Watch that needle come up. It's not. Well, okay. Wait a minute. Yep. Give it a try again. Yep. Pump up. Push it all the way forward. Ah, you see that? It tickled? Yep. Okay, good. Yep. And you can turn pump off. And crank that sucker with the hand on the key, hand on the mixture. When it kicks in, roll it forward. Yeah, and then bring the power down to 1,000. Clear!
Clear!
Ooh, be careful. Yeah, it's a little bit tricky, so
yeah.
Yep.
Clear!
Sometimes it kicks in, but it doesn't kick in, and people push it forward, and it floods the engine. Yeah, so, and then you just, you want to make sure it is.
Yep. All right then. Now we're gonna go out to Brookhaven, and then 1,100. That's all.
Okay. All right. So let's grab.
Yep, the ATIS right there.
Oh,
yep.
That's the
oh yeah, yep, those are, yep, exactly.
The alert for birds in the vicinity of Long Island MacArthur Airport. All departures except closed traffic contact clearance delivery on 121.85. Advise on initial contact. You have information Zulu. Long Island Tower information Zulu 1556 Zulu. Wind 230 at 14. Visibility 10. Ceiling 25,000 broken. Temperature 24. Dew point 18. Altimeter 3009er. Visual approaching use. Landing and departing runway 24. Notice to airmen. Runway 15 right. 33 left. Not grooved. Taxiway Bravo 4. Holding position markings for approach on runway 33 left. Not standard. Caution birds, be alert for birds in the vicinity of Long Island MacArthur Airport. All departures except closed traffic contact clearance delivery on 121.85. Advise on initial contact. You have information Zulu.
Yep, 121.85. There we go.
Alright, so I'm going to tell clearance departure to the east to Brookhaven.
Yeah, going to Brookhaven, 1,100. That's all.
Okay.
Now, of course, if this airport was far off, right, we want like nice maximum altitude that's safe enough and all that. But it's so close by that once you get up, we're there already.
Long Island clearance, Cessna 5312 Sierra is at the west ramp with Zulu. Departure to Brookhaven at 1,100.
That's it.
Cessna 5312 Sierra, would you like a punch out or flight following?
No, punch out.
Punch out 12 Sierra.
Cessna 5312 Sierra, after departure, fly runway heading, maintain VFR at or below 1,400, departure frequency with tower 119.3, squawk 4356.
Departure frequency with tower.
Yep, and wow, squawk is 4356. Wow,
okay.
Didn't change. Yep, yeah, just those 3 things.
Okay. Fly runway heading at or below 1,400. Departure on tower frequency squawk 4356. 12 Sierra.
November 12 Sierra, readback is correct. Verify you have information Zulu.
We have Zulu.
Cessna 12 Sierra, thank you. Contact ground for taxi.
On the ground 12 Sierra.
Alright, very good. Oh, that's fine. Very odd. Very odd.
Yeah, what are the chances?
Oh, listen, never. Man, whatever.
Maybe she saw that we were already on it and was like, we'll keep them there.
It's weird, yeah. It's okay. Alright then. Let's deal with this.
Alrighty.
Okay. Yeah, Brookhaven, they have 4 runways, similar to Islip.
Let's see, wind is coming for 230.
Yeah, there you go. Good. Just make sure that's adjusted. Heading indicator, magnetic compass.
Yeah, we'll do that first.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, set up your altimeter.
300.
Yeah, got your 6-pack. Got your magnetic compass. Yeah, do a little fine adjustments before we roll. And push in, turn to the left.
Very good.
Very good. Yep. Like about 108 degrees. Yeah, something like Yep, and then we got the winds of 230, right? Yeah, something like that, yep. Okay.
Alrighty.
Yep, so we're gonna turn away from the wind and dive. There you go. Alright. All looks good.
Actually killed the brakes a sec. I just want to pull my
Oh
seat
yeah,
up a little
yeah,
more.
I got the brakes, yep.
Alright, that feels better.
You good? Okay,
Yep.
alright, you're airplane.
I got the plane.
Alright, you got the plane. There we go. Okay.
Is that an F-22?
Oh, yes it is. A Raptor. Yes.
That's insane.
Yes.
Yeah, that's
it was on the New York jet side yesterday. Oh, let's watch it take off. How about that? Here we go. Take my handy dandy camera and shoot the video.
Ooh. Oh, it's an F-18, not a 22.
Oh, F-18, a Hornet. Nice. Nice. Wow. Very nice.
My old roommate's actually, he's an F-18 pilot.
Your old roommate in college?
Yeah, in the
No
Navy.
kidding. No kidding, nice.
Alright, run up. Alright, parking brakes set. Seat backs full upright. Seat belts checked secure.
Sure.
Cabin doors closed and latched.
Close the latch.
Flight control. Oop.
That was up.
Free and correct.
Yep. Right.
Up and down. Working.
The crash at Cedarburg with the citation, the crew took off, right, with the elevator clamps still on.
Oh, really?
And they, crashed into the fence and burned.
Oh, my God.
And I got killed,
Flight instruments checked and set.
Yeah.
Fuel quantity. I think we got enough.
Right, yep, full tanks, yep, definitely, yep.
Mixture rich.
Good, make sure.
Throttle 1800.
There we go, hold the brakes with our feet.
Alright.
Yep. One switch to the left. You got to check the right one. Back to both. Watch for the drop. Yep. And watch for the drop. Right. All right then. So no more than what does it say?
No more
the
than
tolerance, right? 150 and no more than 50 differential.
Alright, we're good on that.
Good. And check
Backing
the
gauges.
backing
We're
gauges.
good.
Yep.
Fuel pressure good.
That's right. Yep. And the ammeter. Yep. Turn the left side of the master switch. The ammeter. That's it. And watch for a drop.
Yep.
Yeah, drop. Yep. Good. That means it's charging. Yep.
Alright. Annunciators,
Nothing.
none shown. Throttle, check idle.
Yeah. Because we can make sure that, they are all lighting, yep. Nothing showing. Good. Nice.
Alright.
Idle, still smooth running. Yep.
Alrighty.
So remember with two-way echo, right? In the sequence, there is the carburetor heat.
Yep. Alright, then emergency procedures.
Yeah, 3 phases. Just a review. You're going to tell the examiner what you're, planning.
Alright, so on takeoff,
On the roll.
we're gonna apply brakes, kill everything.
Yep.
Fuel.
That's
It
right.
goes go from up over.
Yeah, that's right. It goes all the way out. Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
I mean, I said up over, but I meant.
No. Yeah, well, it is up over. Well, down, up over. Yeah. Gotcha. Yep. Very good.
So yeah, we pull this in the plane.
That one
There's
comes out. Yeah.
2-8 echo, there's the off position.
Exactly.
Here you pull
Exactly. Yep.
it. Okay, after takeoff, 65
Yep.
knots.
Yes. Now, remember, right? Yes. Despite what this says, right? Instinctively, the engine goes, whoa, right? What are we gonna do?
Fuel pump.
That's it. Exactly. 100%. And then go according to whatever the checklist is that you have memorized, right? Because on the takeoff, there's no time to read, right?
Right.
There's aviate only. Right?
Yeah, go up, over, everything off. And then unlatch and lock it.
That's right. Yeah. Exactly.
time.
Yep.
Alright. In flight,
Yeah.
trim for 65.
Yeah. That's right. A, B, and C, right? Yep.
Fuel shut off, up and over.
That's right. Yep. This is like we try to restart the engine. That's all.
Yep.
Okay. All right. So we're taking off, right? We're gonna turn into the wind, right? In case of emergency, we gotta come back to the airport for emergency landing at altitude, right? So that's like way above 500 feet. turn into the wind. And land wherever you can. Yep. 122.8, right? Yeah,
0.8?
Yeah, you can pull out that button. Yep, okay. That's it. Yep. So we got that set. All right then. Yeah. So pretty much the weather is, it's like very similar to here, right? So most likely they're going to be using runway 24 over there. No, I'm sorry. It's not 24. It's
Yeah, they got 24.
Yeah. Okay. So they got two.
They got 24 and 15.
That's right. 15 and 23. Okay.
Alrighty.
Yeah. We got this.
So line tower.
Yeah, let's go to the let's go to that whole short line there before whiskey.
Long Island ground, Cessna 5312 Sierra is at the west ramp, taxi to the active.
South 5312 Sierra, 24 intersection, left whiskey, right 15 right.
Left whiskey, right 15 right. 12 Sierra.
There you go. That's it. We're just exercising radio discipline. Because we know.
12 Sierra Tower, you ready to go?
Oh.
Ready to go, 12 Sierra.
Cessna 12 Sierra, runway 24 intersection, clear for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, 12 Sierra.
Alright, close our windows. And let's get that Christmas tree on. 3, 4, yeah.
Don't turn the pitot heat on, back.
That's it, yeah.
Alright.
Everything's still sounding good, looking good.
Good, looking good. No lights.
No landing traffic. That's it. Using as much runway as we can. Alright, because we have more than 4,000 feet of runway. Okay, so, wind's coming from the left, right?
Yep.
Hey, do the call-outs.
Alright, goes on the floor.
Yep.
Airspeed alive, T's and P's are green.
Good. And keep your hand on the throttle, make sure it's full bore, yeah.
Alright.
And lift off. And the airplane's gonna weather vane into the left, against the wind.
Speed 74 Golf, Long Island Tower, team bound on the approach.
Putting it at 374 Golf.
Ooh, a little bit of turbulence. It's alright. Very nice. Look at a nice VY climb going to 76 knots, but like I said, we're gonna round it off to 75 for the VY.
A little too much down.
Okay, very good. Hands off flying on the takeoff. Very nice. Everything sounds good?
Sounds good, looks good.
No one else see the lights?
This 12 Sierra radar contact, show you at 500 feet, and left on course Brookhaven's approved.
Left on course, 12 Sierra.
Very nice.
Cleared for takeoff, 10 vector. We'll use the full afterburners this time.
Yeah, thank you.
Alright, so how would you approach landing at 2-4 in Brookhaven?
127 Hotel Fox, 1 departure priority.
Landing at 2-4,
Yes.
we would have to fly a little bit over that inlet. Come out, and once we can make a 45 degree, we'll come in.
100%, my friend. Yes, sir.
So I'm gonna head out there now a little bit. Brookhaven traffic, Cessna is 5 miles to the southeast. Approaching, which way are we landing?
Brookhaven traffic, we've got single Blackhawk in the pattern. We're on right downwind for runway 24.
2-4.
Open traffic, retreat mile final.
Oh, it's a Blackhawk landing on 2-4. Okay.
Alright, good.
Yeah, absolutely. Yep. Lift up your wing, make sure there's nobody.
Last traffic calling Brookhaven, do you copy?
Yes, we copy.
We copy.
Yeah, so visually speaking, right? you know? So the 2-4, right, is going to be lined up here.
Alright.
Right?
The midfield downwind.
And that's only going center of mass. We're entering the 45-degree downwind.
Alright.
No calculations involved, right? Yep.
Most likely we'll step down to the
Crab for the
Heading
wind.
center of mass. Yeah, that's it. The crabbing. Yep. Absolutely. And let's try to, notice the wind drift. Are we?
It's so noticeable today.
It is, right? Yeah, it's very stiff, right?
Okay,
we're
copy
pointing towards
that.
there. Got heading this way, but we're tracking that way. Yep. So we can definitely feel the wind.
Brookhaven traffic, Cessna is entering the downwind 24, Brookhaven.
And the 45 for the lift down. Yeah, whatever. Yep. All right, looking good. Yeah. Make the traffic patterns tight. It's pretty empty today. Surprisingly. Right, nobody around. Interesting. Okay, yep. Yeah, keep the traffic pattern tight.
Okay, keep it
All
tight.
right. Yep. Half a mile from the runway. Yep. Nobody on downwind. Okay. And let's roll. Take up your wing. Make sure there's nobody. And let's roll. Okay.
Alpha.
And pick out your touchdown point, your target touchdown point.
Alright.
And if you see it, you can start doing the reduction on the on the RPM. Yeah, bring it down to 1500 RPM. Get that descent going. That's right. Okay, so our target, right? We're going to turn base close to
Charlie's Blackhawk
800 feet.
active 2-4, taking off this time for right close.
Nice, good. Yep, let's trim it out. Let's get that pitch down going. Let's get a nice 500 feet per minute descent. Roughly, yep.
Pretty good, right as we are.
That's right. Start our base turn at the 45.
I call base right now.
Yeah, sure. Brookhaven traffic, Cessna, left base 24, Brookhaven.
Brookhaven traffic, Cessna, left base 24, Brookhaven.
Excellent. Oh, hand on the throttle. Yep. Right, a nice approach speed. Right. Gonna get the approach speed around 65. That's the target. Right. No rush. Good. So we're on base. Nice.
Sweet potato.
There you go. That's it. Deploy the flaps when the wings are level, not on the turn. All right. Oh, that Blackhawk took off. Yep. Nice. Good. Good altitude. Good altitude. Good altitude. Good altitude. Good. Final is clear. Brookhaven traffic. Cessna. Final. 2-4. Brookhaven.
Brookhaven traffic, final 24, Cessna on final 24, Brookhaven.
Good. Yep. Let's line it up.
The wind's gonna push us over a little bit.
Okay. Yep. If you need power, just add it. Right. Just add it. But sometimes we're too much extended, right? And then the final is extended. And of course, our power setting is not gonna take us to it's not gonna get us to the runway. So we're using our judgment. We're gonna have to add the power if we need to. No harm in that. Yeah. When the runway is assured, full potatoes. Good. A little bit more to the right.
Okay.
Yeah, more to the right. Yep. Stabilize that. Yep. There you go. Yeah. Runway is assured. 3 potatoes. Yeah. Aim for the numbers. Aim. Yep. Pitch it down. Power all the way out. And just pitch for the numbers. Yep. Pitch it down. Throw it down. Yep. Maintain that speed to the ground. That's it. Maintain that speed. And then you know what to do, right? Manhandle that. Hold it back. Oh, too much. See it? Right? Too much, right? Now you gotta angle it. Yeah, that's it. Oh. You've been practicing on the side, I see.
I actually haven't.
I know. Okay. Oh, that was nice. That was muy bueno. Yeah, so, I think the wind is just...
I think I would have, the wind was so stiff, I was kind of debating whether I should do 10 degrees, because I put the blind doors down.
Yes. Great point. Yeah, give her a shot. I don't know if they're sending. Yeah, Brookhaven traffic, Cessna is on taxiway Alpha behind nice Blackhawk.
Brookhaven traffic, got you. My pilot is coming out right now. You might see him. We'll be off in just a moment or two.
Okay, no rush. Thank you. Okay, so but we, you know,
My man's had a pee.
doing a little bathroom break. Very good. Get that pilot back in.
Brookhaven traffic, Cessna is taking off 24, departure to south Brookhaven.
Alright. Let's get the lights on.
Heels on the ground.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
you go.
There you go, yeah. Hey, engine instruments alive.
P's and P's are green, airspeed's
Yeah.
alive.
Yeah, and no annunciator lights.
No annunciator lights, 60 degrees.
Those, yeah.
60,
There,
and rotate.
there you go.
There we go. And climbing out is VY.
That's it, that's it.
What altitude do you want me to go to?
Oh, you know what? We'll do 1500 this time. Yeah.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Yeah, Gabreski is about 10 minutes away. So here's the deal, right? Like, this is very, very like, how should I say, on the go. It's a diversion, and it's to a new airport, right?
Yep.
That's all it is. You ever landed at FOK?
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. Very good.
That long time ago.
Okay. Yep.
Suffolk County Airport, West Hampton Beach, New York. Automated weather observation 1653 Zulu. Wind 240 at 12. Peak gusts 25. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 24 Celsius. Dew point 19 Celsius. Altimeter 3008. Remarks. Density altitude 1000. Suffolk County Airport, West Hampton Beach.
Okay. They don't have a,
Okay. Yep. The winds are right down 2-4, right? You know, it's gusting. We just gotta take that for a fact.
I'll do like 10 degrees of flaps
Yes.
on landing.
Yes. Good. Good. Yep.
Alright, should I give a
Yeah, give him a shout. Yeah. Yeah. Definitely give him a shout. Say wherever we are. Yep. Position report and blah blah.
What are we, like 5 miles?
Yeah. 5 miles. Yep. Yep.
Alright.
Yep. Good estimate.
Rescue Tower 5312 Sierra is about 5 miles to the southwest, inbound the land, 24.
Touch and go. Yeah.
Touch and go.
Unable, touch and go.
Oh, unable? Okay. Taxi back.
Taxi back then.
Unable.
Unable?
Unable.
Oh, okay then. All right. Disregard.
Disregard 12 Sierra.
Now that is unusual.
Yeah, look at him.
Maybe they got military operations going on? Okay.
There's
All right, my man.
Papa Yui.
Yeah, Papa Yui, taking me back home. Now that, I have never heard before.
There's a C-130 flying around in like a figure 8 right now.
Yeah, yeah. They must be doing something.
New York approach, Cessna 5312 Sierra is south of Brookhaven with Alpha, inbound the land.
What was the call sign?
5312 Sierra.
5312
5312 Sierra, squawk 43649 then.
4364.
436412 Sierra.
New York, good afternoon. Coast Guard Oxer 22 Romeo 2500. Yep, correction.
Coast Guard Oxer 22 Romeo Nick 4, just altimeter 3005.
Yep.
3005.
Oh, you see Islip all the way out there.
312 Sierra, radar contact 5 miles southeast of Brookhaven Airport, ice altimeter 3005. Do you have ATIS information Alpha?
We have Alpha 12 Sierra.
Number 5, number 5, 312 Sierra, what is your aircraft type?
Skyhawk 172, 12 Sierra.
5312 Sierra, climb maintain 2000 and flighting 330.
Climb maintain 2000, 33, 12 Sierra.
330. Yeah, tell them 330.
330, 12 Sierra.
Hey, good. So 2000, 330. That's a heading bug on the heading indicator. Nice. Very good. Okay, so the controller, right, gave you a heading and an altitude. All of a sudden, right? Well, let's say forget about the controller. You're climbing and you're heading 330. All of a sudden, you see nothing outside. You see absolutely nothing.
567, 900 feet.
So you're going to revert to your instruments, right? And you're going to do a 180 out of it. Right? They're going to bank the airplane left or right, and you're going to do a 1 minute turn.
96567, Roger.
Coming out. With the turn coordinator, the wing is going to be on this tip of that tip.
Sorry about that, Skyhawk 567 leaving 1,500, turn right on course.
Okay.
Dog 12 Sierra, proceed straight in runway 24, contact ISO Tower 100.3.
Straight in 2412 Sierra.
Alright. Contact the tower, yeah.
I'd like to transition along your shoreline 1,400 east.
So we're just going to go like this.
Coast 1 Charlie Victor, contact 1,400, proceed as requested.
Let's do our before landing check. Oh, you know,
I'll be on the
check in.
borderline of your surface.
Yeah, push that forward. And
Thank you.
this goes on both, everything looks good, yeah. Go from bottom, boom.
Long Island Tower.
Yeah, with your runway 24. Yeah.
Long Island Tower 5312 Sierra is with you, landing 24.
That's the 5312 Sierra, Long Island Tower, wind 24012, gust 18, runway 24, clear to land.
Clear to land 12 Sierra. Alright.
So here's what I call a very good question, right? If the engine dies right now, right, would you be able to make the runway? What do you think? I mean,
We'd make the field, I don't think we'd quite make the runway.
yeah, we would, yeah, because of the winds. Yeah. If the winds were a lot less, maybe like 5 knots. Yeah, okay.
I'm unable to contact ground for taxi 895 Charlie Delta.
Yeah, I think it's just your area there. If you want, you can move out to that wide portion of Alpha, then try them again over there.
Roger, we'll move to white portion. Thank you. 895 Charlie Delta.
Alright, take me down. I'll only comment if you're doing something wrong.
Sounds good.
Too high, too low, too left, too right, whatever. Of course, I'll give you a moment to, you know, correct yourself or whatever, you know. Not just gonna jump in there. Yep. And you can always, like, you know, tell me what's going on in your mind, you know, say, I'm a little too fast, too slow, too high, too low, too left, too right. See how slow the ground speed is.
Yeah. A little high right now.
Okay.
Gonna put one potato.
Yeah.
Gotta go a little bit to the right.
That's right. Yes. That's it.
Pitch for airspeed.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can blow it up a little bit.
There you go.
70 over the trees, about 60 over the threshold.
Yes, yeah.
Alright, let's do.
Power's a little bit low. Yeah, we'll probably want to be like around 1500 RPM.
Okay.
Yeah, just staying ahead of the airplane. The sink rate is gonna get us below the glide slope. That's it. But approach speed is. Yeah, not much of a crossrun whatsoever.
Yeah, it's pretty right down the runway. It's not really bucking us.
Exactly, yep, yep. Good. Approach speed is stabilized, 65. Yep. We're aiming for the numbers. Yes, sir. Looking good.
Charlie Victor's clear to the southeast, sir. Thank you so much.
3-0 Charlie Victor, right assist number, squawk 54 for you to change route. Have a good one.
Perfect.
Yep, that's it. Grip that yoke tight. That's it. Now the grip of the yoke becomes tight. Manhandle that plane. Manhandle. Yep. Get that right, brother. There you go. Nice. Look at this. Look at this. Fantastic. Look at that. Like a pro. Very nice. That's it.
Ooh, like kicked me left and right at the end there.
Yeah, listen, you handle it. That's it. You handle it.
Like coming in, I'm like, oh, it's such a smooth approach.
Yeah. That's the way it is.
5312 Sierra, where are you parking today?
West ramp 120.
Cessna 120, turn right at taxiway Bravo. You can contact ground. Have a good day.
Right on Bravo to ground. 120.
Very nice.
1335, right?
Yeah, look, the windsock is funny, right? That one and that one, they look different. Yeah, but it's still pretty much down the runway. All right, here's Bravo. Good landing. Hope the video caught it all.
It's still recording.
How can you tell?
I could see, if I could see numbers, then it's,
okay.
I see an hour.
Nice. All right.
Yeah.
Oh, 135.3.
Oh, shoot.
There you go. Hey.
Long Island ground, Cessna 5312 Sierra, taxi to the west ramp.
Cessna 5312 Sierra, Long Island ground, taxi to the west ramp via Bravo Whiskey.
Bravo Whiskey 12 Sierra.